Seeing is believing, and believe it, you're probably paying double for car insurance. Thanks for joining us this afternoon, everyone. I'm AJ Hilton. Insure.com says Michigan's been one of the top 3 most expensive states for car insurance for the past 3 years. Brian Johnson explains why we're paying so much.
It's time for some reforms, folks.
The high cost for auto insurance is getting attention from the governor, and he wants change immediately.
We far exceed every other state in how expensive our claims are. The average claim in Michigan is $44,000. The next 2 states are $17,000 and $10,000.
And those claims are paid out by every driver on the road. The same insurance in Ohio would run about $900 less each year. That's according to Insure.com.
Well, it's tough. Everybody's trying to make ends meet, and, more money in your car insurance definitely doesn't help.
The governor wants thoughtful reform to the state's no-fault law and medical payouts, as well as insurance fraud.
Fraud's estimated to be upwards of almost 10% of the premium volume, and in Michigan that can equate to almost $400 million.
To look for a solution to the high cost of auto insurance, the governor signed an executive order creating the Department of Insurance and Financial Services.
But I would say we're not going to stop at those 2. I want to look at the whole question of auto insurance to see what we can be more proactive. It's particularly when you have cities, Detroit's #1 on the most expensive list, Novi's #6, and I think Muskegon's #9. That's not a good set of circumstances.
Kevin Clinton is waiting approval to be the new director of that department.
If the legislature can move quickly, I'm sure we could have this done, let's say, within 9 months. So anytime they renew after, let's say, mid-September, they could start seeing some savings.
In Lansing, Brian Johnson, Fox 47 News.
The Michigan Insurance Coalition says the cost of no-fault, the fee paid per vehicle to the MCCA, is up. It was about $6 per vehicle in 1998, and it was $175 last year.